Want faster T-Mobile 5G home internet? It's about maximizing signal strength and optimizing data routing. Start with antenna placement. Position your T-Mobile router's antenna as high as possible, ideally on a rooftop, pointing towards the nearest T-Mobile tower. This minimizes signal loss. Understand that T-Mobile uses MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, for better data throughput. Signal strength should ideally be -70 dBms or better. Check this via the T-Mobile app or apps like OpenSignal. Next, DNS domain name system plays a role. T-Mobile's default DNS servers can be slow. Switch to faster public ones like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 for a 10 to 20% latency reduction. Use these steps for peak performance. Dive into your router settings for further gains. Prioritize 5G bands by selecting LTE 5G mode. If you have older devices, disable Wi-Fi 6E to force 5G connectivity. Use QoS to allocate more bandwidth to high-priority activities like streaming or gaming. For stability, ensure your router has the latest firmware. The most recent firmware updates include automatic band switching, prioritizing faster N41 or N71 bands, and enhanced security. A Montana user on Reddit's T-Mobile ISP forum boosted speeds 25%, switching DNS to Quad 9 and selecting the N71 band. By optimizing antenna placement, DNS, and router settings, you can significantly improve your T-Mobile 5G home internet performance.